Hello, hi to everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is in your country, guys. Well, this is morning in Russia, and this is like 10:30 a.m. in Russia. Mostly, I do speak to Russian speaking area. That's why I'm always I always think about their time. If you have evening now, guys, this is a really fast moment to trade right now because this is a European session, and I decided to comment some trading situation. We yesterday talked with you about Great Britain pound. We talked with you about gold. I do hope that you're in profit, and I know that you're in profit if you did open a deal like I suggested you to do it. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask them in comments below, and I will answer them in the end of my speech. For now, we will discuss Great Britain pound. We will discuss Great Britain pound versus Japanese yen, and maybe something else what I will decide to during the video. Okay, I do wait for your feedback that you're online. Okay, thank you. Hi. I do see your comments, guys. Well, let's go to technical situation because it's trading time and we don't have that much time just to talk. Great Britain pound. Yesterday we did have this target 1.2630. It's good that technically we got this profit. But now let's forget about yesterday's profit. It was okay, whatever it was. Good deal, bad deal. We have today technical situation, and what we have to do is to decide, should we right now sell or should we right now buy Great Britain pound? What we do from the beginning, we open daily chart all the time. What you have to do, you have to check big data, you have to check big charts, not only 5 minutes charts, 15 minutes charts, but daily chart, weekly chart. Today is Wednesday, I hope it is. So yeah, today is Wednesday, and that's not the end of the week, so we don't check weekly chart, because if you don't have close price of a candle, you do not watch it like to decide from that picture. Daily chart. Do we have a signal to sell right now? No, there is no signal to sell. If you see this kind of picture and you don't have a signal to sell, what I'm trying to find here, a signal to sell on candlestick, and there is no signal to sell on candlestick. What I do see here, I see 200 moving average. Price didn't touch this moving average. I'm not going to tell you that this is a really important level. No, I'm just watching the situation. Price didn't touch 200 moving average. Why this is not really important right now? Because moving average is a trend indicator. You use it for a trend. As you know, for Great Britain pound, here is no trend. This is not a trend. This is a really ugly, I would say ugly, flat situation. Okay, if I don't have signal to sell here, I go back to 4-hour chart, to 1-hour chart. What I see, my target, my level of resistance is being broken, so price touched it, we got this profit. Now we go to, if I say that here is a flat, now we go to 4-hour chart. What I see here, I use RSI, this is indicator RSI, with the period 14 on 4-hour chart. What I see here, yes, price is going down and RSI is trying to go down, but here is no signal to sell on 4-hour chart, okay? Why here is no signal to sell? Because this line on RSI indicator did not cross the level that we use. Here on RSI we use 30 and 70 levels, two levels, 30 and 70. Okay, so what I see here, price is going down. It might go even to 1.2475, whatever. But now the 4-hour candle doesn't give me a close price yet. If I see it being closed under this tendency line, the red one, the RSI goes under this cross line. What can happen next? price will go to retest this broken tendency line. You have to be aware of the situation that price will go to retest that level. Okay, I'm trying to explain you what I am looking at and what I'm going to search for the market to enter it. What I will do, I make this tendency line on 1 hour chart. From the highest level, it was 1.2648. From the highest level, I do measure this tendency, and if I see price going up to correction, where can I weight it? To this tendency line, this one. Not to maximum price 1.2630, but to this tendency line, okay? And from here, from this tendency line, I will enter market maybe to the end of this day. If I see price testing it and going down, okay? So do not be afraid that you missed all the way down. If you decide to sell right now, actually you don't have a signal to sell. Seriously, there is no signal to sell on that chart, on 1 hour chart, on 4 hour chart, on daily chart. I'm showing you what you can do in the nearest future. You can try to enter market with the short positions from this tendency line. What will be your target? First of all, we should measure this way up. And we see that correction is 1.2460. So this is a real good target. Second moment, how you can decide to enter market. On 5-minute chart, on 15-minute chart, you can try to enter market when price is below, is under 1.2535. I hope that might work and for you, and you will hear me with my forecast, with my trading idea. So yeah, I do use these Fibonacci levels, and this level 38.20 is like a target where a price can go to correction. I'm not in a hurry to sell right now and to go really fast down with all the market. I'm just waiting for a signal. Yesterday we earned money, we are okay. Today we are waiting for a market to give us a signal, to give us a good trading moment. You can see by your eyes actually this level. Look here, look. You don't need all these Fibonacci levels if you do not understand them. Look here, that was a level of resistance, 1. That was a level of resistance. From the third time, they break it and they test it as a level of support. And now it's a level of support again. So you do understand, if price breaks this level of support from the first time, it might go up to 1.2470, okay? So that is your trading idea for Great Britain pound, like that. Now you're ready to work with the Great Britain pound. If you have any questions, if you don't understand something, please ask in chat. I hope it is understandable for you. And now we go to Great Britain pound with Japanese yen. Whoa, 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 it's going down. Good. It is really good. Someone who sold is really happy now. About the Great Britain pound with Japanese yen. We discussed it actually yesterday online, only with English-speaking people on this channel. I did discuss the situation about the Great Britain pound, and I showed you this moment to enter market with the target 135.50. That was the target. Price went up to 135.48. Oh, come on. I hope you didn't, put it level to level. Always when you have level, you have to see where price touching the level mostly. It's not like current price 135.50 and you are waiting this price 135.50. You are watching it's like an area. The price can go a little bit higher, it may go a little bit before this price and turn like we saw it this night. So yeah, we got a good entry point, and from our entry point, price went like 40 pips, and it's not that much, but it's not bad. And you see here with your eyes, again, with your eyes, once we touch level 135.40, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, and price is touching this level and can't break it. So from here, now we don't use it anymore. After you don't use these levels, just delete them from the chart. So yeah, now what we have level of support 134.50, and this is a really good level of support intraday. After you see the breakdown, the price will go to 133.50. When can you enter market? You draw this tendency line. If you see price going down, so you can actually sell right now after you see the 1 hour candle being closed under the level. You can see this close price being under the level and you decide to sell. Where should you put your stop loss? Actually, if you sell on 1 hour chart, by rules, you have to put your stop loss right here. It is really far. Second idea, you can wait while price will try to test or to stay a little bit on one side or to test this tendency line and to sell from this tendency line with a level 133.50. I would like to remind you that we still use this range that we found in March. This range, 200 pips range. And Great Britain pound with Japanese yen does not give us an opportunity to work with a trend. We still work in a range. That is not bad. That is really good, I would say, because you can open some position with a long stop loss and you can wait that price. If it's not going down, that it will stay in this range and will give you profit a little bit later. Well, it depends on your trading tactic. But for now, what I would like to give you as an idea is that under 134.50 you can trade with the target 133.50. I hope you're happy with my ideas and you should put these fingers under the video right now. And of course, join my channel, guys, join my trading club. I do have trading club for people who are trading all the time, and I do have clients from all over the world. And if you have some problems with the payment system, please contact my support team. They will decide how to solve your problem. And my trading club is something that I do daily. It's not something that you are waiting every minute that I will give you my comment, that I will give you trading comment and something. I'm trying to find safe and actual moment to enter market and to give you actual analytics. So something that you can use with me right now and something that you can use by yourself. I'm giving you technical situation, you follow the market, you are trying to decide by yourself when you can enter market. It's like, you know, those are like lessons that you go through and you are trying to become more stronger as a trader. So in the moment when I do close my project, you will be strong trader that can act by yourself. I'm giving you base, I'm giving you the fundamental situation, I'm giving you an opportunity to understand this market more and more, and every day I give you technical moments, I show you what's going on in market, something I help you to decide with, some deals I help you to decide with, like you can sell here or you can buy here, and I show you with the lines like go there, and I'm trying to push you to the right decision, but your deal is to enter market, to decide which stop loss you should put. Sometimes I do give you stop losses, sometimes I leave it for you, and you have to decide, and you must to do what you have to put your stop loss with the rules. If you don't do that, so you can you can't become a good trader. So what I do in my trading club, I am like training you as a good trader, and this is a strong situation for you. So from one hand you have a help every day, and if you need my help, I do write comments as fast as you need, as much as you need for pairs that you need. But if you're okay with the deals that I give you to, you just trade day by day, like one deal a day, two deals a day, not much. Okay, I'm not trying to push you to trade every day, every minute. I'm giving you trading situation when they come to market. Okay,
So if you have questions, ask them in the video. Which platform are you using? Ross, thank you for asking, but I am this is actually some brokers platform that doesn't work in Russia anymore, and I know the inside situation, and they do not support this platform as much as I would like to. And actually, this is something that still works, and I'm used for more than 10 years to use this platform for analytical moments, but this is not a really good trading platform actually. So it's like, some platform that I'm showing you market, okay? It's not something that you should search for and try to trade here, seriously. So yeah, this is some platform that is only for like demonstration, okay? Thank you for asking, Ross. Okay, I did show you two trade moments. I don't see in chat any questions about the currency pair or some gold and so on. So I think you're okay with the last video. Please go. My support team, Evgeny, will send a link to previous video, so you go and check yesterday's situation, and you can check what I showed you yesterday, how it works today, and what market shows you. And please do not believe me as a trader or whatever. You have to listen to me. After that, you check what's going on market. And if you see that my ideas are okay for you and you do understand what I say, after that, please follow my ideas and trade with me, okay? So do not just believe me because I'm telling you to believe me, okay? And do it with everyone. You have to check by your eyes that those ideas are understandable for you. I hope you understand that I'm trying to make an area for you more comfortable and safe, so you don't believe to everyone who says I'm profitable and I can help you to work. I will help you to understand market more, to earn money, but you have to work with me. You have to work and you have to do some things all the time, not just to wait and see signals, okay? Thank you for being so smart. Well, yeah. If you don't have questions about the market, I would like to say again, join my Telegram channel. If you have any questions, you can ask them under the video, and I will comment trading situation in your Telegram channel, English-speaking Telegram channel. Join my trading club. All the situation about the trading club and all the service and so on, you can find in link that my support team sent you just now. And also, please be signed to this YouTube channel. Press the bell, and of course, stay with me, guys. I wish you profits. See you later. Bye bye. Thank you very much for being with me. And put stop losses. Do not forget about that. Bye bye. Do you trade on Indian market? No, I don't trade on Indian market, but I do trade indexes. I do trade gold, oil from time to time. My first strong point is that I do trade currencies for many years. This is euro, this is Great Britain pound, that is what I trade all the time, and this is my strong side. And all others, oil, gold, and so on, I do trade from time to time when I see trading situation. Euro is like something that I can trade every day, intraday, and forward chart, and 1 hour chart, and daily chart. It's like something that I know really good. Okay, United States dollar versus Japanese yen. I will comment it on Telegram channel. Jael, thank you very much for asking for this currency pair. Okay. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.